this video, we're gonna go up to Lake Superior Performance Rally and crew for Rally Ready and Black Rifle again, so come along. Yeah, so I'm on my way out there right now to meet up with them. Kind of feels a little weird not competing in this event. This is, you know, our home event and my favorite event. I love driving this one, but just like I said before, this costs too much for me at this point. It's even taking off of work to go and do this is a little stressful to me, but we're gonna drive up there and hopefully have a good time. Dave wins this event, he wins his class championship, which this is the last event, so it's come down to the wire. So hopefully, yeah, I think we're gonna do good. I love this event. It's always been good to us, except for 2019 when I crashed. I'll put a link up here. But yeah, let's go. It's rainy and cloudy, and looks like it's gonna be like that all weekend, so should be fun. This is one of the other reasons why LSPR is the best. The scenic colors and everything, to die for. In Michigan. Well, I ended up making it yesterday. We didn't film too much just because we just had check-in and stuff like that, but it's a little cold. We gotta check the alignment on the car, right?
Good check.
Yeah, so we'll do that real quick. I think we're gonna have to groove some tires just because it's supposed to rain. We're gonna wait and see what Dave says about that, but look at this view. Derek said he's jumping in the lake if Dave wins. I think we all said we'll join him, so hopefully that's not too terribly cold. Oh, that's right. Doing an alignment real quick while Derek does some sticker stuff. You get her?
It went good for the dyno because like it didn't drive weird, but I was like, oh, I hate doing toe plates by myself.
Yeah.
Like set it up and
Hope it stays in the spot, yeah.
two plates.
So we came up to the Fitzgerald. It's been a while since we've been here. It's one of our favorite places to eat. What do you think, Blaine? What do you think?
This is insane. I'm excited. Yeah, look at that.
Whoa!
You were kidding.
Yeah.
That thing's cool.
Gorgeous.
Look at those rocks. Dude,
What?
Wisconsin Bridge and Iron Company in
Milwaukee of all places.
I wish we could go down there.
It's a Texan taking pictures of snow.
Hey, sometimes you just gotta commemorate.
Live in the moment a little bit. Yeah, so it's Friday morning. We went and got some coffee for everybody. Yeah, we're gonna go back and go to Park Expose here. It's gonna be a sad one, but that's not something I'm gonna divulge in a story. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
He's like, Dusty was gaming, and he's like, can you take care of that to Jeff? Jeff's filming him. While Dusty's going out the window, Black Rifle Coffee. The episode was just Black Rifle Coffee, and they'll get you through any rally service.
Do just about anything for Black Rifle Coffee. Those are some flakes. That's awesome.
Yeah, they're big.
Some big boys.
Some chonkers.
Chonkers.
Chunky boys.
Yes. It's my favorite.
It's a Texan taking pictures
Yeah,
of
take
snow
pictures
again.
of snow, you nerd.
Yeah.
Man, those brakes sound mint.
Dude, they're horrible. They smell good, too. Yeah. Oh, damn it. There's zero fucking service here.
Yeah. Are you enjoying the snow plenty?
Oh, man, it's great.
Miss it yet? Derek being a boss.
What's that?
Derek being a boss.
Yeah, Airbnb boss, apparently.
Is it all coming back to you? Some muscle memory?
Yeah, I just forget which one I like make.
You're slinging the heck out of the what was it, happened?
Oh yeah, I slung like 400 cups. It was like 4 sleeves of
Yeah.
coffee. And so I had nightmares about that for a while. I'd be in my sleep, flat white.
The flat white, that's what it was.
Americano. Oh, you want oat milk? Okay. So I really tried to repress the memory, you know?
Well, we're gonna go see if we can find somebody. According to our rally safe here, it shows that Dave has stopped on the stage. So without good reception, we don't really know what to do. So let's go find Preston.
We had just enough to see that nothing was changing. I would suggest.
Sorry, have we gotten any reports at the end of June of the situation?
I know exactly what's going on. It's okay. I'll fill you in. So they can get the safety study. No. They've already started transferring all the cars. Okay. Okay.
So should we?
I would suggest that you get like prepared to like tow it back or whatever and get your tail to the starter stage too, because when you get there you can tell the start crew we're the service crew for 725. Can we go in and grab the car? I'll put the trailer on.
Well, we got the recce car.
Because you don't know if you can flat tow it or not. And this red car will not tow it.
Okay.
You know, at this point you don't know if you can haul it back on a rope or not. Yeah, that's true. Leave the trailer up there.
Yeah, probably should bring the trailer.
Yeah.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you for the help.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, yeah, it's not good. Apparently there's been a fire. So everybody's safe, which is good news, but we're gonna go pick them up.
What? What? Hit a tree at 85 miles an hour. The rear windscreen's up in a tree.
What?
You hit a tree at 85 miles an hour. and the rear windscreen is in a tree. In a tree. In a
You're okay?
tree!
Yeah.
Holy fuck!
They're gonna feel that.
So I had to work on getting a tow truck. I'm gonna find out who I can use. If two of you can go get them at the end of the
Take
stage.
the rally car, take the Subaru.
Yeah, take the recce car. Yeah, if we
Sure,
can get
yeah.
someone to go get
You
them.
wanna come
Yeah,
with
I'll
me?
come with you.
Well, what about Kelly? Well, I guess Kelly can follow.
Yeah.
But there's enough room in there. Alright, you guys go. I'll fucking stay here with the...
Yeah, I'm gonna go to figure out who a tow truck company I can use.
All right. So what they're doing right now is they're transient. Since there was a red flag, the stages aren't raceable, so they just run the stage through at speed, or not at speed, at like 30 miles an hour. And then hopefully we'll get Sweet to maybe pull him to the end of the road, and then we'll get a wrecker to come for him.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, so we just got confirmation. We have to wait till 9 p.m. to get the car. It's 5 now, so we'll go sit and be sad spaghetti noodles for a little bit. Yeah, I'll talk to Dave, talk to them, see what's going on. But Dusty sent me a picture, so I'll probably use that for the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Gotta get those clicks. Well, we're all packed up and loaded up. We just gotta wait for the stages to close to go get the car. It's really starting to snow now, though. And Travis is just getting back. Yeah, so we'll be sitting around for a couple hours, and then we'll get the car all loaded up, and yeah, hopefully do something about that. We gotta do the brakes on the truck here, but yeah, it's that's LSPR for you. You know, it's rally. Stuff like this can happen. Oh boy.
Holy mother of fuck! Flash. Jesus Christ!
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, maybe it's not good. Jesus.
Ooh, engine? I don't know.
You wanna lift the hood? My intake is crushed. There's no air filter. It has a hood latch still. Oh, the strut still works. That's good. Holy shit. What is all this?
Power steering. That's what caught on fire.
Oh yeah, cause okay, that makes sense. Why
Dude,
not?
there's no timing cover damage.
That's good.
That's
good.
insane.
Yeah, look, see how I have the radiator position though? It's
Yeah.
going to prevent that. Yeah, that's okay. So that definitely is what that was. Well, it could be oil though too.
Don't forget, we gotta get the boost monitor out as well.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know how to get these rally safes out, KJ?
I think I just put them through wires and put out.
Yep. I don't know if you want to start doing that. Oh, I'm not surprised, Dusty.
That's where the oil lines are. I think, yeah. Combination of oil and steering. Yes.
Damn, man.
But it wasn't because my power steering cooler was up there.
Nope.
It was because the pump is right there.
Can't do much about that.
No. That's one of the things I worry about because like it is in a weird spot, but like
Well, I mean, realistically, we can just not hit the tree.
Okay.
that's
Okay.
my bar is still really intact.
Yeah?
And it's not hitting the tire or anything.
No.
Okay, so I did a pretty damn good job with making that bar.
Yeah.
Like it's just barely bent down. And the frame's still intact too because of it. I just want to see something.
You want to see?
I just want to see underneath in there. Yeah, fuck. That is.
Want to do that right now?
Sure. Well, they should be okay. It's gonna be a tricky one.
It rolled a little bit.
A lot of things still work.
Yeah.
Actually.
That's smart. Yep.
Not quite like that. It's more of like a round bar. It's just one bar that goes.
Well, that's a wrap on LSPR. We're loaded up, heading out. Like I said, unfortunately with Dave's crash, there's no real reason for us to hang out anymore. So we're gonna hop in the car and head on home. But if you enjoy this kind of content, it comes around a couple times a year, but make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.